Hey guys, as you see right now, I have a Rubik's Cube. It's all scrambled, and I'm gonna solve it. If you guys want me to teach you how to solve it, well, I'm not gonna teach you. It's a very simple process. You don't even have to think. My device is over here. It's gonna give me all the answers. So I'm gonna be from right here. Wait, hold on. From right here. Okay, from right here. Turn. Wait, it's hard for me to see, guys. Hold on. So it's right here, and I'm gonna be solving it. Wait, hold on. It's like this. Turn. 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 And I'm not gonna edit this video, guys, just so that you guys can see that I'm clearly solving the Rubik's Cube. Turn. Turn like this. Yeah, like that. Turn. 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 Hold on, guys. It's gonna take a while to solve this. Well, not a while. There's only 10 more steps. Turn. And as you guys can see, look, it's starting to get solved. Okay. Go back to this position. Turn. 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 Ooh. Oh, look, guys. It's almost finished. Sorry, guys. Just had to sneeze right there. Okay. Facing. Which way is that? The blue, green. Okay, from right here. Turn. 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 And then turn. Bam. Look, guys. Look, it's all finished. So, if you guys want me to show you how to solve it, it's very simple. No thinking. Just look on your device. It comes with everything to solve it. It doesn't matter if you have one side mixed. It can solve anything. If it's all the way scrambled, if it's one side solved, anything. It can solve anything. So yeah, you guys, if I get 50 likes on this or something like that. No, not 50. You guys can't do that. If I get 10 likes on this video, I'll show you guys. And Andre, you're probably watching this and freaking out. Yeah. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.